Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, but if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. So happy to have you today. I'm going to be trying to build a plant shelf right now, like those Hexagon plant shelves that have been going all over Instagram, going crazy on Pinterest and Etsy and all that. They're pretty expensive. Like I probably would buy them just because they're so cute, but I was thinking let me just try to see if I could DIY some of my own. I have my hot glue gun here that I just burned my finger on, but it's okay, we're gonna power through it. I'm gonna pretend that I don't feel the pain, and yeah, let's just get started with the video. So I actually saw someone else do this on Instagram, so I cannot take full credit. Let me pull it up real quick. All right, so the only thing is the other people that I've seen do it, like theirs is a lot, they found larger craft sticks and I could only find these mini ones. They're literally popsicle sticks, the same ones that you would get a popsicle on when you were a kid. So these are gonna be small, so this is gonna be like a mini version of what other people have been making. And other people do stain their wood when they're done, but I love the look of raw wood, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so the first thing it looks like everyone does is they just like map out their shape. So let's see if I can make a hexagon. Don't laugh at me. All right, so there's our shape and we just pretty much have to build onto this. So this should be just literally the easiest thing ever. We're just gonna be gluing all the parts together and building on top of it. I suck at the glue gun, but we're gonna try. Let's see what happens. I feel like, let me just do one and stop talking. But I feel like the reason I say I suck with the hot glue gun is because, well, first of all, this one is from 99-cent store, so I don't know if it's just bad quality, but I feel like it's literally hot for 2 seconds, not even, like 1 second, and then it's not hot anymore. So that's just how I feel. I don't know. All right, let's do the other side. So far, it seems to be sticking pretty well. So I just finished and it's so cute. It's exactly what I was hoping for. I still have to like clean up all the like glue strings everywhere. Very easy to do, as you guys could see, and it's the perfect size for a little like 2-inch pot. Like it just sits perfectly. So I didn't think this was actually gonna turn out cute. I love it. I think that I'm just going to hang it with like 2 nails right here. You could definitely install like a bracket or something. I don't know if Dollar Tree sells brackets like that because I kind of want this to be an all Dollar Tree haul. This glue gun was from the 99-cent store, but I believe it was like $1.99 or $2.99. It wasn't exactly 99 cents. I did buy a pack of glue, 20 glue sticks for 99 cents, and as you could see, I used 2.5, I want to say, glue sticks, but you definitely could have used less if you're not so heavy-handed like I am. And then I got a bunch of these craft popsicle stick things, but I didn't even finish using a whole pack. I still have a bunch more, so 1 pack is definitely going to be enough for a small one. I definitely want to try doing a double, like a bigger one, and maybe have different sizes. So I'm going to do that at some point, not right now. And then I also saw that Dollar Tree had this like acrylic paint, and they had brushes and everything. So I think if you wanted to paint it white, like it would take 10 seconds. And I tried painting a pot with this already and it worked very well. So good quality stuff for $1, can't beat it. I'm gonna go figure out where I'm gonna hang this, and I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Hey guys, so I was thinking this hallway area would be super cute to like have a bunch of them, or like 3 of them. I feel like would be really nice, but I'm just too indecisive and I don't want to put any holes in the wall quite yet. So I'm not going to hang it necessarily yet. I'm just gonna kind of think about it for a while, but I did want to film an outro for you guys. I think this is such a cool, fun, easy little DIY. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hopefully it will save you guys some coin like it did for me, because now I know I don't have to purchase these. I can just make them. Yeah, with that all being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so 3 times a week now. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.